In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Taobao 2025, step by step. We'll use the web version so everything is easy to see, and by the end, you'll have your new card or bank account set as the default for checkout. Start by opening your browser and going to Taobao.com. If you shop from outside mainland China, world.taobao.com often loads an international friendly layout. Sign into your account. If you use a translator extension, turn it on now so the page labels like My Taobao are easier to recognize. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the profile icon in the upper right corner and click My Taobao, shown as Wo De Taobao. Inside that area, open account settings labeled Zhanghu Sheiji. This is where Taobao keeps your personal info and the connections to payment services. Look for Alipay account, Zifu Bao Zhanghu, or a link that says Linked Payment Accounts. Click it, and Taobao will take you to Alipay.com. For security, you might be asked to log in again or complete a quick verification. That's normal, and it helps protect your wallet and cards. Inside Alipay, go to Bank Cards Yinxin Kia. Here you'll see any cards you've linked, your active payment methods, and special products like Alipay Tour Card if you use one. To add a new option, choose Add Card Tianjia Yinxin Ka, then enter the card number, your name as it appears on the card, the expiry date, CVV, and your billing address. Double check that the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. If your bank uses extra verification, like a one-time code or 3D Secure, complete that prompt to finish the binding. If you're replacing an old card, you can remove it now. Open the existing card and choose Remove or Unbind Jichu Bangding, then confirm. Removing isn't required, but it can prevent accidental charges to an outdated method and keeps your wallet tidy. Next, set your new payment method as the default by clicking Set as Default, Shiwei Mo Ren. This tells Taobao to use it automatically at checkout. Finally, switch back to the Taobao tab, add any item to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You should now see your updated payment method available for payment. If it doesn't appear, refresh the page, sign out and back in, or repeat the default selection in Alipay. That's it. You've updated your payment method for Taobao in a few quick steps.